On the next Quilt Show, if you're looking for some sweet serendipity, look no further. Our guest, Sherri Lipman McCauley, enjoys creating abstract quilts with paint and a little bit of happenstance. See how a syringe from her dental office became her favorite quilt marking tool.
Wherever the paint lands, it lands. And if it's not a good landing, I have some other tricks I'll share with you later.
And Sherri shows you how to use fabric for design inspiration. Plus, she's throwing her paint around and making magic right before your eyes. Then, over their nearly 5 decades of creating the International Quilt Festival in Houston, Texas, Karey, Patterson, Bresenhan, and Nancy O'Brien Puentes have seen some extraordinary quilts. So we asked them to share with us some of their favorites, and the picks might surprise you. 3 ladies who are making their mark with marvelous results. Let the grins begin on the next Quilt Show.